Valve announces their very first virtual reality headset, and it looks pretty awesome, coming up on Split Second Tech. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Split Second Tech video. I'll be honest, I thought the virtual reality or the VR realm was actually a dying technology. That doesn't seem to be the case, as Valve has announced their very first VR headset, the Valve Index. The headset features two 1440 by 1600 LCD screens versus the OLED screens used on other models to help reduce the screen door effect. The refresh rates are selectable from 80, 90, 120, or even 144 Hz modes. In terms of comfort, Valve designed an off-ear speaker system allowing more comfortability while providing a natural sound environment. Those speakers can be folded up or removed by a single screw. The headset features padding all the way around, but most importantly, the magnetic face gasket allows for quick cleaning or swapping ability. The headset also features a ratchet system for you to expand or contract depending on the size of your head, as well as an IPD adjustment, or just simple turns the space between your eyes, from 58mm to 70mm. The full kit provides two base stations with a 7-meter range. However, that is expandable for up to 4 sensors, giving you a 10-meter by 10-meter play space, which is about 400% increase of play area over other headsets. On top of the increased range, you also get a better field of view, so fine-tuning the sensors won't be as finicky as before. The biggest advantage for this kit is the controllers, in my opinion. Originally codenamed Knuckles, Valve has been testing these things for years. They feature pressure and squeezing sensitivity and also have 87 sensors to track your finger movements. A strap is included to secure the controller to your hand, allowing you to open your hand without dropping the controller. This allows for a better immersive experience. All of this is packed in an open-air design with a battery life of around 7 hours, which can also be recharged. Now, with this product, there's a lot of new tech into it, bringing us with a few caveats. First and foremost, it does require a beast of a PC to run, especially if you want to get up there in the 144 Hz modes. You're going to require something around the 2080, but you can use a 970 as a minimum graphics card. The second thing is, it is a tethered system. It is not a wireless system like you have on some of the other units, so you may want to plan accordingly as far as your wires are concerned. The last big caveat that I see with this thing is the price tag. Because it is a premium product, it does carry a premium price tag of $1,000, gearing it towards a virtual reality enthusiast. As of this video, the VR was sold out on Steam, but you can go in and reserve your spot in line. The unit is not expected to ship out until September 20th of this year. And that wraps up today's video, bringing us into our question of the day. How do you feel about the Valve Index? Leave your answers in the comment section below the video. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of stuff from how-tos and tutorials over to tech news and unboxings. I'll link a couple over there on the right-hand side of the screen for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notifications so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.